Okay, class, this will be my last announcement, hopefully for a few days. But I wanted to take the time to highlight the short paper that's due this week, and I also wanted to take a look, or to help you take a look at the rubric that goes along with the short paper. So if you're looking at the question in Module One, you'll see it ask you to take a look at your program evaluation. So what you want to do on the SNHU website, you want to go and find your degree program so you can get a lot of this information that you'll need for this assignment. Now, when you get down to the questions, you want to look at it says, what was your experience like in your undergraduate program, and how will this program differ? How are the expectations of graduate school different from the expectations of undergraduate school? That's a clear-cut question. You want to be detailed and answer that one. What did you go through in undergraduate, and what are you expecting for graduate school? Now, here's when you get into a little bit of the course evaluation. It says, what courses will you take initially? If this is the only course you're taking, you can list that. That's fine. And how will you sequence the remaining courses? So you don't have to list every single course, but you want to highlight a few courses that you're going to take. I would say within the span of at least 2 terms. So if you're only taking SNHU 501 right now, what will the next 2 terms look like? You don't have to go the whole length of the program. Just tell me what the next 2 terms will look like regarding your course sequence. Um, and it says, what larger standards and conventions guide work in your chosen program areas. This may include citation standards, ethical guidelines. So basically, you're looking for if there are any particular writing styles that program wants you to use, if there are any particular ethical guidelines that your program specifically goes by. And again, this can be found on that website or on your program website. And lastly, what resources might you need to ensure you move forward successfully in your program? So this can be where you mention some things like the online writing center, like the tutoring services that are available, like your advisor that you have here at SNHU. So these are a few ideas of how to approach this paper. Now, in the next screen, you're going to see I'm going to talk about the short paper rubric that should help you, that should guide you on this paper, because it's in SNHU, I grade by rubrics only. So I want to show you exactly what I'm expecting on this paper. All right, stay tuned.